Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create Slack incoming webhook. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API website. From there, go to your app's dashboard. Make sure you are signed in to the Slack workspace where you want to post messages. Once you are logged in, click the button that says Create New App. When Slack asks how you want to create the app, choose from scratch. Now enter a name for your app. After that, select the workspace where this app will live. This is important because the webhook will only work inside that workspace. When everything looks correct, click Create App. Next, you need to enable incoming webhooks. On the App Settings page, look at the left side menu. Under the Feature section, click Incoming Webhooks. You will see a switch at the top of the page. Turn on the option called Activate Incoming Webhooks. This allows Slack to generate webhook links for this app. Now scroll down on the same page. Click the button labeled Add New Webhook to Workspace. Slack will ask you to choose a channel. Pick the channel where you want messages to appear. Then click Allow to give permission. After that, you will be sent back to the Settings page. You will now see a webhook URL listed for your workspace. Copy this URL and keep it private, because anyone who has it can post messages to your channel. To test the webhook, you can use this simple command in your terminal. If everything is set up correctly, you will see the message appear in Slack. Thanks for watching.